Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the biggest news surrounding Cardano and Solana. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis to see their future steps. So if you guys take any value from this video or are looking for up-to-date crypto news, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button or comment down below as it really helps the algorithm. If you are a big fan of either of these cryptocurrencies, let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll jump straight into the latest updates and then we'll take a look at the prices a bit later, and we'll start off with Cardano. This article says Cardano ousting Ethereum as Hoskinson teases release of an astounding algorithmic stablecoin paper. And it says down here, IOHK has been focused on enabling smart contract functionalities on the Cardano blockchain over the past few months. While the full rollout may not be for a couple months, IOHK has already got its eye on a new algorithmic stablecoin paper. In a June 18th tweet, the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, revealed that the IOHK is gearing up to release a remarkable research paper regarding an algorithmic stablecoin in the next few weeks. Hoskinson explained that the algorithmic stablecoin paper is unfinished business from his days at BitShares. And as you can see here, Charles tweeted himself saying, "We have a really amazing algorithmic stablecoin paper coming out in the next few weeks. Unfinished business since the BitShare days." Owing to the resounding success of the decentralized finance sector in 2020, there was a growing interest in the class of coins widely known as algorithmic stablecoins. Unlike centrally controlled stablecoins like Tether, algorithmic stablecoins maintain their one-to-one peg with USD by automatically adjusting their supply based on the price and collateral amounts. To put it simply, these kind of stablecoin projects rely on a series of complex algorithms to regulate supply and maintain a stable value. Earlier this year, the first Cardano-based algorithmic stablecoin was announced, AgeUSD, which would be created atop the Ergo blockchain in a partnership with Emergo and Input-Output Hong Kong. Once they verify that it is working as expected, IOHK hopes to move AgeUSD over to Cardano. In August last year, Hoskinson admitted to being very obsessed with DeFi, which led to countless interviews, discussions and reports. He added that Cardano's algorithmic stablecoin would be significantly better than MakerDAO. Cardano has been long described as an Ethereum killer alongside other cryptos such as Polkadot and Solana. The Hoskinson-led project hopes to ultimately capture the market that is currently dominated by Ethereum. Time will tell when or whether this dream becomes a reality. So overall, this is big news coming for Cardano. We have so much to look forward to over the next few months. Once Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies get out of this downward trend, we will be seeing incredible price action. Cardano has been one of the strongest cryptocurrencies during this downward trend, and I think it is here to stay. But I want to know down below, is Cardano your number one holding? If we take a look at Cardano on the charts, as you can see over the past few days, we have been in a sideways direction. Where is Cardano going to go over the next few days and possibly leading up to the next weekend? I personally think Cardano will end up dropping towards the levels of $1.17, purely because if Bitcoin ends up falling anywhere between $34,000 and $32,000, which at this point it does look like we could be heading towards that direction, I do think Cardano and other altcoins will see a significant fall. But for me personally, I do think this will be one of the last drops that we see before we test a $50,000 Bitcoin. Purely because we have seen so much action over the past few months that we are indeed testing a breakout. Bitcoin ended up testing that $41,000 level, and since then we have been rejected. I personally think we are going to break that level, and when we end up breaking that level, all this patience we have shown over the past couple months, we will be rewarded for our efforts. If you are looking for a good buying opportunity into Cardano, I would personally wait to see what happens over the weekend. I'm going to be buying at these levels. If I see Cardano touch anywhere between $1.17 or even $1, that is where I will personally be buying. Purely because Bitcoin will be in that downward motion, and when we bounce back it is going to be one hell of a party. So overall at the minute I would say a very good buying opportunity is between the levels of $1.60 and $1. But as I keep saying guys, there is still a tremendous amount of fun to come in this crypto space, and this bull run is currently not over. 2022, in my opinion, may be when the bull run is over, but until then, anything that happens is all part of the process. Let the market do its magic and you will be rewarded for your efforts. Remember guys, be greedy when others are fearful, stay patient and you will be a winner in this space. We're now going to take a look at the latest updates surrounding Solana, and this article says Ren Bridge adds support for Bitcoin on Solana. Ren has launched a direct bridge to Solana. It allows users to move tokenized versions of Bitcoin and other assets onto the layer 1 blockchain. And it says down here, Ren integrates Solana. The project announced the integration on Thursday, remarking that Solana brings a unique set of features to the layer 1 space, along with a growing ecosystem and community. Solana is a high throughput layer 1 blockchain that offers similar DeFi functionalities to Ethereum. However, it processes transactions at a much higher speed and lower cost than the second ranked blockchain. The The ecosystem has grown at a rapid pace this year, and the project has received a significant amount of attention. The blockchain's native Sol token has climbed to the 13th rank of all cryptocurrencies. So Solana over the past few months has been gaining a lot of attention, and it has been a very solid crypto in this crypto space. Here's some more big news for you Solana holders. Solana, Chills and Keep Network are now available on Coinbase. Starting today, Solana, Chills and Keep Network are available on Coinbase.com. Coinbase has lost a lot of respect over the past few months, so their listings don't have as big an impact as they did before. But again, it is still good news because it gives those cryptos more exposure. This is the last article that I want to show you before we take a look at our price analysis, and this article says Grayscale looks to add Solana, Polygon, ICP and 10 more crypto assets. So if we scroll down here, it says leading crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments is exploring 13 additional investment products. Announced on Thursday, the list includes 3 top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization: Solana, Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, and Internet Computer. The asset manager is also looking into these other cryptos: 1inch, Bancor, Curve, Kava, Kyber Network, Loopring, Near, Ren, Universal Market Access, and OX. So overall, some very big cryptos mentioned in that list. And lastly, Grayscale said down here, the addition of the new investment products requires significant review and consideration as it is subject to substantial internal controls, significantly secure custody arrangements, and regulatory considerations. To finish off today's video, we're now going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Solana, and if we show you its price over the past few months, it has shown incredible price action. It was only the 30th of January where it was at $3.60, and since then we ended up peaking to the levels of $57. We are now hovering around the $35 level, but we could continue going down further. I personally think over the next few days, similar to Cardano and other cryptocurrencies, we will see a drop possibly to the levels of $25 if Bitcoin does touch those $32,000 levels. Over the next few days, I'm expecting the market to do something somewhat like this. We are expecting to go down somewhere to maybe these levels here of $27, and maybe that will be anywhere between $34,000 and $32,000 for Bitcoin. But as soon as we do end up bottoming, whether it's here, or there, we will end up having a very nice spike. And when we end up having that spike, I personally think we will end up going all the way up to the levels we were a few months ago. When it comes to cryptocurrency, the thing that gives me the most confidence that this crypto space is not going anywhere is the fact if you compare it to any of the traditional systems that we have today in finance, gaming, or any other thing that you can think of, crypto is going to win every single day of the week. We have had so many problems occurring for the past 10 to 20, even longer, for so many years. We've had so many big problems in the world, and crypto is a big alternative, and it solves a lot of the problems that the world is having today. Since the beginning of time when the dollar and the pound was created, it has always been destined to fail. What we are seeing at the moment across the world is very, very similar to what happened in 2007 and 2008. We are seeing a tremendous amount of inflation, we are seeing jobs lost across the board, and we are seeing housing markets skyrocketing across the board. So I personally think what is going to happen in 2022, because to me it does make sense that something like this could happen. I think that the crypto market is going to have an official bear market. I think the stock market is going to crash. I think the housing market is going to collapse, and I think we are going to see a reset and a transition slowly into that crypto space. Purely because you are starting to see it now at a slow rate. You are starting to see countries, banks, central banks and big companies turn to that crypto space. And if they are all going into that direction, I think that is a clear understanding as to where we are going. But remember guys, time is on our side and we still have a lot more adoption to come in this crypto space. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you did take any value from this video and you would like to learn more, we have the Crypto Knows Patreon where we have one-to-one calls where we can go over anything crypto related. If you would like a portfolio review, your future steps, or simply learning the basics about crypto. We also have the Gold membership where if you are looking for an incredible Discord community, we will help you to the best of our ability on your crypto journey. We're also trying to hit 10,000 followers on our Twitter account, so if you guys do have Twitter, it would really mean a lot to me if you could drop me a follow, as we are trying to hit a very big target at the end of the year. So if you guys did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or comment down below as it really helps the algorithm. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.